Hi everyone, my name's Tarryn, and I'm one of the bakers at the Juniper Café, and today I'm going to walk you through how we make our famous spiced ginger cookies just in time for the holiday season. So we're going to start off with our spices. At the Juniper, we try and use as many fresh and locally sourced ingredients as possible, but feel free to substitute in any pre-ground spices that you may have on hand. So we're going to toss our cloves, pepper, cinnamon, and ginger into our spice grinder. And give that a couple of pulses until it's thoroughly combined. Now in a separate bowl, we're gonna combine that with our flour, our salt, and baking soda. And we're gonna whisk that together until it's nice and combined. And set that aside. Now in the bowl of a stand mixer, we're going to cream together our butter and our sugar. Mix that on medium speed until it starts sticking to the edge of the bowl. Now we're going to add the eggs in one at a time. Once those are mixed in, we're going to add in the molasses. And mix that on high until it's nice and light and fluffy. Make sure you stop partway through and give the bowl a good scrape so that everything gets mixed in. paddle attachment. Set that aside. Move the bowl, and it's time to fold in our dry ingredients. Mix this on low until it's just barely combined, and be careful not to overmix it. All right, and now that our dough's all ready, we're gonna separate it into 3-ounce portions. So now that our dough's all portioned out, we're gonna take the dough, roll it up, and press each cookie with a layer of organic sugar and place it back on our baking sheet a couple inches apart. So now our cookies are all set to go into the oven. We're gonna bake these at 350 degrees for 12 to 17 minutes, rotating halfway through. When you take them out of the oven, they might seem a little bit underdone, but the cookies will firm up once we let them cool on the baking sheet, and it'll leave you with a nice chewy cookie. So this is what the cookies will look like once they're all cooled and out of the oven. If you decide to make these at home, let us know how it goes on social media, or you could stop in and pick one up anytime, or you can place an order online for our cookie grams that we're bringing back this December.